If you're looking to get a set of keycaps with personal legends, colors, or even a special profile, you're at the right place. There are multiple ways to get fully custom keycaps, depending on what you want. Some are better and cheaper than others. We've designed and ordered over half a dozen sets from different shops, and we're going to put them to the test. Let's start with the XDA profile laser-etched ABS keycaps from FKcaps. You can choose between different profiles and customize the layout and legends to your liking, including the font, size, and position. You can even add symbols or load your own SVG file. For example, I ordered 54 one-unit keycaps for my Dygma Defy with customized legends and icons to match my unique layout. In total, that would cost $63 including shipping. Packaging is pretty simple, but it gets the job done. On first inspection, they look well painted and the laser etching is precise. However, once installed on the keyboard, you notice shadows under the legends. In many cases, this is because legends are too close to the stem, which projects a shadow. This is especially obvious in the icons, which are too big. That is on me for not taking the stem into account, but a visual indicator for the stem in the configurator would have been very useful. Our head of product, Manel, pointed out that it would also be best if the legends were aligned to the left. That's how we do it in our laser-etched keycaps, since that's the biggest shadow-free area. Another thing Manel noticed is that there are multiple injection points and marks on the inside of the keycap, where the legend is supposed to go. That and the fact that the ABS used is not especially translucent adds blurriness to the light. In our keycaps, we use polycarbonate instead of ABS, which is more translucent. Plus, there are only injection points at the bottom, and we polish the inside of the keycap to make the light as sharp as possible. Sound-wise, they are very similar to our laser-etched keycaps. Nonetheless, this is us getting engineer picky. They are still a great option if you want custom laser-etched keycaps. But what if you want custom colors too? Then it's time to check the cherry profile Dye-sub PBT keycaps from ThockFactory. These don't have shine-through legends. But aside from the font, size, and position of your legends, you can also configure the keycap and legend colors. Basically, a blank canvas for your creativity. Since these are cherry profile keycaps, I ordered one set in QWERTY for my Dygma Race 2 and one set in my customized Colemac for the Dygma Defy. One plus is that I was able to order custom keycaps for the cherry profile thumbkeys on the Race 2. These two sets cost $112 plus $10 for shipping. That's $65 for the Race 2 and $47 for the Defy. The packaging is pretty good. The container is made of rigid plastic with a translucent lid. Not only are the keycaps well protected, but it's great for storing them. However, once you inspect them, you realize the walls of the keycaps are only 1.5 millimeters, which is far less than the 1.8 millimeters in more premium keycaps, like our PBT sets. This makes them lighter, which also affects sound. They also lack the texture finish you come to expect from PBT keycaps. The colors are a bit dull, and the legends are not especially sharp. Don't get me wrong, they are okay for the price point. You just get what you pay for. If you want something more premium, or maybe a different profile, check out the KAM profile Dye-sub PBT keycaps from YuzuKeycaps. If we were to get only keycaps for the Race 2, they would cost $66 plus shipping. It's also worth pointing out that you can get the keycaps in ANSI and ISO layouts, like this one. And they send you a picture of your keycaps for review before shipping them. Although that didn't prevent me from putting a plus where I should have a 0. The packaging is nice, although not as nice as the one from ThockFactory. On the other hand, the keycaps are much better. which is the important thing. They have a pleasant, warm texture. They are thick with 1.8mm walls, which makes them heavier and sound nicer. But most importantly, the legends are sharper and the colors more vibrant. It's like they have a higher resolution. All in all, given the similar price point, and even though ThockFactory has great packaging, I think YuzuKeycaps offer a better value overall. What if you want a full custom set for your Dygma Defy, including the thumbkeys? In that case, you have several options offered by 3D Keycap. For example, you can get a full resin 3D printed set in any color you want, including the thumbkeys, with UV printed legends. You can even choose between multiple rare profiles. Here's a black DES profile resin set with custom legends. I really like this profile because it creates a bit of a key well on the keyboard, making it easier to reach the keys above and below the home row. As a plus, resin keycaps let the LEDs shine through with a very subtle light. Resin is also a good material, texture and sound-wise. They are not perfect though. The surface area of the number row keys is a bit small for my liking, and the edges are a bit sharp. Also, UV printed legends are not as sharp as dye sublimation, and they can wear over time. At the end of the day, it's ink on top of the keycaps, while with dye sublimation, the color is embedded in the plastic. Check out this other video to learn more about how keycaps and legends are made. Finally, UV printed resin keycaps are quite expensive. This set costs over $200, which is understandable. It's a labor-intensive niche product. You can't get DES profile keycaps anywhere unless you print them yourself, and custom UV printing is also extremely rare. A cheaper alternative is to order just the thumb keys in any color you want. That would cost $30. But my favorite option is getting the legends UV printed on the Dygma blank PBT keycaps. UV printing looks sharper and cleaner on PBT keycaps, and the keycaps themselves are really premium, thick PBT keycaps, which sound great. We've collaborated with 3D Keycap to offer you this option. If you are interested in a customized set, we've left a link in the description to pre-order. As you can see, here's my engram layout, and here is my new Colemac attempt. Finally, there is the DIY option, which I personally love. You only need one of our blank PBT sets, available at dygma.com/PBTKeycaps, an acrylic marker, and nice lettering skills. I like the latter, but I still managed to create a decent looking set that matches my former engram layout. Acrylic markers will wear out over time, but that can also be a good thing. If you need to make changes to your layout, you can remove the legends with alcohol and paint new ones. And that's it. That makes 6 different ways to get fully custom keycaps. We've left links to all of them in the description below. This is where I like to hear from you. Have you ever gotten fully custom keycaps like this? How was your experience? Which one of these are you tempted to try? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're interested in keycaps, check out these other videos. Until the next one!